Everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. After click on this icon, again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. Enter your phone pin, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is my phone. Click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix these problems, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keeps media stopping error on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.